Welcome to Arihant Padhaakoo. I am SK Batra from School of Math, Gurgaon, and today we will talk about the mathematics paper of class 12. There are so many queries as the exams are coming nearby. Students are getting confused, and as you know, always mathematics paper is a tricky one, and students take a lot of stress for this particular paper. But it is not like that. If you plan the things well in advance, and you will find this paper is really scoring and very easy to crack, but you have to plan the things. There are so many queries are coming to us, but today first of all, I will take what are the important study tips for calculus. As you know, this calculus section is of 44 marks in our board exam. There are 5 chapters which are covered under the calculus. What you have to do, you have to plan the things accordingly, do all the examples from your NCERT book, and then try to solve the questions initially which were difficult for you. Don't give more time to the questions which are easy, very easy. Just revise all the formulas. And another point which is important for all the students, they must revise trigonometry formulas of class 11. Because you know, every question, maybe whatsoever is the situation, directly or indirectly gets related with the trigonometry. So most of the students find it difficult. They know the formulas of calculus. They can solve it as far as class 12th is concerned. But when it comes to use trigonometric identities, they are blank there, and then they find it is very difficult. So similarly, in continuity wala section, students ko lagta hai ki continuity is very difficult. But it is not the case. It is not the continuity. It is the limits का concept. जो आपने क्लास 11 में पढ़ा था, वो हो सकता है आपका वीक हो, और वो उसकी एप्लीकेशन इज द कंटिन्यूटी इन क्लास 12. सो गो एंड रिवाइज द लिमिट्स सो दैट यू आर कंफर्टेबल व्हाइल सॉल्विंग द कंटिन्यूटी वाले क्वेश्चंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज complain. Why many students after writing their math paper complain that their paper was lengthy? Actually, here the main problem is student lack some practice while solving the problems. What they do, the moment they reach at the part where they can solve the question, they don't get the answer. They don't go for the calculation. You know, mathematics is 2 parts. One is understanding the question. Second is the solution, that is calculation. If you know, you understand the question, but you get stuck somewhere where you cannot calculate your answer, even then you are not going to get marks. So the main problem is your practice part. जब भी आप कुछ भी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, कोई भी क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व करेंगे, आप उस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट कीजिए, गेट योर आंसर एंड क्रॉस चेक योर आंसर, एंड इफ देयर इज सम मिस्टेक, ट्राई टू करेक्ट इट. Don't use calculator while solving the problem, because एग्जाम में आपको कैलकुलेटर अलाउड नहीं है. आपके पास स्मार्टफोन जरूर होगा और आप सॉल्व करते हुए अपने कैलकुलेटर को यूज करते हैं. तो प्लीज अवॉइड, डोंट मेक इट ए हैबिट, एंड देन ट्राई टू गेट द आंसर्स, कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन. After this comes, how much time should be invested in question according to their marks? So I am going to give you some tips regarding this. Now your paper will be divided in 4 sections. You know, 1 mark question. There are 4 questions of 1 mark each. Then there are 8 questions of 2 marks each. Then 11 questions of 4 marks and 6 questions of 6 marks. Student normally ask कि हमें कौन सा section पहले करना चाहिए. It all depends how you manage your timings. You can start with any section. There's no problem at all. But you should not exceed the time limit. I will advise that in 4 marks question, you spend, 1 marks question, there are 4 questions, you spend about 7 to 8 minutes in solving these questions. These are easy ones, and try to solve them in a minimum available time. Then 2 marks question, there are 8 questions. Try to spend about 28 minutes in this section. And then for 4 marks question, try to spend about 70 minutes. And for 6 marks question, about 55 minutes, not more than that. And every time when you complete a section, try to check your timings so that you can increase your speed if it is necessary at any time when you are late. तो फिर टोटल अगर टाइम आप कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो दिस टाइम बिकम्स 2 hours and 40 minutes. Mean you get about 20 minutes to revise the question, your answer sheet, so that if there is any calculation mistake or some formula is left, try to check it and then rewrite it. And in general, I have seen, my experience says, those students who complete their paper in 2 hours and 40 minutes, they are somewhere scoring about 98, 99 or even 100 marks. And then those who score about, complete their paper within 3 hours, definitely they are going to score more than 95 marks. So plan your timings and then accordingly you can score very good marks. And then normally students ask, sir, any tricks to calm the exam fear of math? So it's exam fear of math. It's fear of exam only, not only of math. Don't talk about say कि math is difficult. Math तो बहुत easy है. इसको आप ये लेके चले. आपको क्या करना है? आपको एक अपना revision plan बनाना है. Stick to the revision plan. Write down the topics जो आप करना चाहते हैं. आपको जो भी पढ़ना है, जब भी आपके एग्जाम से पहले जो हॉलीडेज मिलेंगी, आप उसमें आप अपने वो टॉपिक पहले फिनिश कीजिए जो डिफिकल्ट है. इजी वन को आप बाद में करें, बिकॉज इजी वन ऑलरेडी नोन टू यू. डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक्स आपका ज्यादा टाइम लेंगे, वो आप अपने पास टाइम अवेलेबल होगा तो आप उनको करेंगे. होता क्या है, यू स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग द इजी क्वेश्चन, स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑफ देम, एंड व्हेन इट कम टू द डिफिकल्ट पार्ट देन यू आर शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम. फिर आपके लिए प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो आप ऐसा नहीं कीजिए. आपको इस फियर को अवे रखने के लिए यू स्टार्ट विद सॉल्विंग द डिफिकल्ट सेक्शन फर्स्ट. Once you are through, you will feel you are relaxed and be stress free. अपने आप टाइम को मैनेज कीजिए. No stress of exam. And I wish you best of luck for all your exam. And I hope you are going to score very good marks in your mathematics paper. Thank you very much.